Hi everyone, this will be again short video about the coffee machine, how to set up auto off setting. Uh, of course you can turn it off properly because you have to understand that the system needs to be cleaned after the using because the coffee it will stuck in the tubes and it will block them. So in my case I think its default is about half an hour when it's turning off. So that's not enough for me, so I will change it to at least for an hour or maybe two. The maximum you can set is the 3 hours. So I think for me it will be the 1 hour enough because normally I'm drinking at least two cups of coffee in the morning within 1 hour, or a little longer, but at least I'm making two coffees an hour. So it's quite simple and easy. All you have to do is machine is plugged in and it's in a off mode, so standby mode, how it's called. So all you have to do is just hold the echo button until the lights come up. As you can see, yeah, the two lights. Fast is 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 and 3 hours. So I will put on the 1 hour, and the change setting, the time is you can change with the button, the steam button. As you can see, the lights coming up. So if you leave like that, that's only gonna be turned off after 3 hours. So I don't need that long, so I will leave at least for an hour. So choose the time, whatever you need, and press again echo button, and that's it. So thanks for the watching and see you in next videos.